This is a transactional listing of rentals that we've made to different people and companies. I mean, we've got quite a few in here, okay? And they all have checked out whatever they've rented on a particular date, and that would be what we see in column A. And they've agreed to bring it back by a certain date, and that's what you see in column B. What we want to be able to do is look at this list at any time, bring it up today, bring it up a month from now, and be able to see who is late in returning what they have rented, as well as those that are not late, that are coming up maybe to be late, but are still okay. But I want to be able to see that kind of information. So we're going to end up, just so you know, I'll show you the done version here, with something like this, where it shows a negative number, meaning that means that as of today's date, which you see up here, they're still okay, all right? But you look at somebody like this, and they are not okay. They're 15 days late, all right? So that's the kind of things that we want to see. So if we open this thing tomorrow, all right, that 38 days will turn to 37 days. This 34 will turn to 35, see? So, and it just gives us a good idea of what's going on. And we can kind of take a look and see who we need to maybe get on the phone with and say, hey, where are you at? You should have been bringing that thing back, you know, days ago, weeks ago, what have you. All right. So how do we make this happen? Well, we're going to use a very simple function called the today function. And we're going to compare today with their return date, and that way we'll see the number of days that either they have until they need to return it or they're past due, given is it a positive or a negative number. So we're going to go right here. We're going to type in equal TO. There's our today. Double click that. And you basically just close off the parenthesis because you don't really put anything within today. Today is just whatever today's date is. That's all it does. That's all it returns. But then we're going to say minus, then, in this case, B3. Now, I can't really click on the B3, so I'm just going to go ahead and type in B3. Hit the enter key. There we go. Then we're going to copy it down. Now, you're going to see something really kind of funny happening on the screen. In order for me to make this a relevant worksheet, I make it so where the data that I have, you know, as far as the pickup and return dates, all hover around whatever the current date is. All right, that way it makes it look very timely. Because if I had made this, let's say I put this example together 5 or 6 years ago, everybody would be, you know, thousands of days late, all right? So what I did is I kind of generated these dates using a very sophisticated generation system here to make that happen. So if you're interested, you can kind of look at that and see what you think. Anyway, so with just the current data that I have here, if this wasn't changing ever, right, then you can see that that first one is 10 days late. The second one is 47 days late. So, or 10 days, I'm sorry. The first one still has 10 days before they're late. The second one has 47 days. What am I saying? I'm going nuts here. Sorry. The first one is 10 days late. The second one still has 47 days until they need to return their product that they had rented from us. So hopefully this will help you. Hopefully you can use this in maybe some of your worksheets, some of your ventures. It's a really cool little tool there, but it all involves being able to do or perform calculations on dates. So thank you for watching my video.